We need to verify that sine 2 theta divided by 1 plus cosine 2 theta is equivalent to tangent theta. Let us begin. So here what we'll do, we'll start from the left hand side of the problem. So here we have sine 2 theta in the numerator divided by 1 plus cosine 2 theta. Now sine 2 theta can be also expressed as 2 times sine of angle theta times cosine of angle theta. And cosine of 2 theta actually has got three portions. We have three types. We have cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. We have 1 minus 2 times sine squared theta, and we have 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Choosing sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta cosine theta is fairly easy compared to choosing cosine 2 theta, because we have one to choose from these three. So which one shall we choose? So let's start with the numerator. The numerator will be 2 sine theta times cosine theta. Now we are going to choose cosine 2 theta in such a way such that there are two terms in the denominator. It reduces to a single term. The only way to do is will be to cancel out 1. So if we replace the value of cosine 2 theta with 2 cosine squared theta minus 1, we have 2 times cosine squared theta minus 1, then we can cancel out this 1 and this positive 1 to convert it into a single term. So now we have 2 times sine theta times cosine theta divided by 2 times cosine squared theta. So here we can factor out 2 from the numerator and the denominator. We can also factor out 1 cosine from the numerator and the denominator. Now we're left with sine theta over cosine theta, and this ratio is nothing but a tangent function, which is the expression on the right hand side. So we have successfully showed that tan sine 2 theta over 1 plus cosine 2 theta is also equivalent to tangent theta, hence proved.